Exercise number 2. Exercise number 3.
Did you know that just a few minutes of Kegel exercises each day can help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles? These simple exercises may improve bladder control, core stability, and overall pelvic health for both men and women. The key is to squeeze the pelvic floor muscles, hold for a few seconds, then relax. Repeat the movements slowly while breathing normally. Remember, consistency is more important than intensity. Want to learn the correct technique, common mistakes to avoid, and a complete beginner-friendly routine? Watch the full video now, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more fitness and wellness tips.
Exercise number 5.